In the last video, I told you I was going to go out and pitch this thing, but it didn't turn out the way I expected. Here's what actually happened. I got my first client from a text message. Not a cold call, not a door knock, not a sales script. I went through my phone, texted people I already knew, and one of them said yes. And they are my first paying GoHighLevel client. Now, I know that probably doesn't sound as cool as cold pitching a stranger, but I want to talk to you about it because the lesson is actually way more important than the method. So stick with me. So real quick, if you didn't see the last video, I spent over a year selling paid ads to local businesses, such as dentists, plumbers, HVAC salons, and I got good at getting into a room with the business owner and closing. But the issue was the second that they stopped running ads, then I stopped getting paid. And paid ads is a way harder skill to master and do for a local business and set the right expectation and to keep a client. Churn is huge when it comes to this business. It's just a constant hustle of trying to replace the customer that just barely canceled. So I'm building something completely different. This is an AI review automation agency, packaged anywhere from $100 to $300 per month on GoHighLevel. The goal is $10K a month in monthly recurring revenue within the next 6 months. And I'm documenting every single step of it here. At the end of the last video, I had 0 clients, and now I have 1. And he actually has 2 businesses that he needs this for. So here's exactly how it happened. Before I get into what I did, I want to talk about what almost stopped me, because I think you've been here too. You have the offer, you know what you're selling, and your brain immediately starts stacking reasons why you're not ready yet. You think things of, I need the system to be perfect first, or I need a case study before I can pitch anyone. I need to get 1 client to get a testimonial to get the next client. I've sold ads to hundreds of business owners. I know how to close, and I still felt that pull to keep setting up instead of going out. And none of that gets you client number 1. The only thing that gets you client number 1 is telling people what you do. So here's what I actually did. I didn't start with cold calls. I didn't drive around knocking on doors. I sat down and went through my contacts, people I already have a relationship with. And I sent real personal texts. This is not a group message, not copy and paste. The actual text that I sent was pretty simple. All I said was, hey bro, do you have anyone that does your reviews? Again, he had no idea what that even means. And I went through and I said, I'm starting my own thing. I'd do it for free for you if you thought it might help. But the software automatically reaches out to the customer once the job is done, asking for a review. And then an AI agent will reply to each review to help your ranking on Google too. Also adds on a widget to your website where it'll update the reviews in real time and a few other things. Him being a great person said, I'll only do it if you charge me full price. That is it. And that is the entire process. Now, it was a more personal text and I know him pretty well. So all you need to do is open up your contacts, send a personal real text, explain what you do extremely simply. And if they're a business owner, ask if they think it'd be useful and offer to do it for free. And if they're not a business owner, ask if they know anyone who'd benefit. I spent $0 on ads to get this first customer, and I'm going to continue to get multiple customers just from personal outreach from my sphere of influence, from the people that are in my phone. The reason this works so well is the hardest part about sales is the trust gap. The part of getting a stranger to do business with you is what we call the trust gap. And that gap, it doesn't exist with your contacts because you already have it. There's a real reason why this works, especially for what we're selling. They already know you. You don't need to prove you're legit. And because the offer is tangible, automated review requests going out after every job, it's easy for someone in your network to immediately picture whether they need it. And it doesn't just have to be automated reviews. It can be an AI receptionist. It can be any other service that GoHighLevel offers. The beauty of this is it's not just like, trust me, your ads are working, wait 90 days. It's something a business owner can see and feel in the first week. I said that in the last video and I meant it. And when you're texting someone who already trusts you about something that's easy to understand, it's a real conversation. It's not a sales pitch. So after this text exchange with my first client, we agreed to meet in person. I told him I could come over whenever, or if he wanted to come over to my place, and we could get this all set up for him within 20-30 minutes and we'll be off to the races. And so we met in person, and I want to make a point about this because I think it mattered. After a year of sitting face to face with business owners selling ads, I know what happens in that room that typically doesn't happen over Zoom. You can read someone, you can hear where their frustration actually is, you can tell when they're sold and when they're still on the fence. And if you're just starting out, I would 100% call every single business within your local area. In-person sales is going to be a lot easier than Zoom sales. And the reason why is because number 1, it shows that you're serious. You showed up, you're not just some guy texting from his couch. You actually showed that you were serious about this. Number 2 is I learned from the real situation. I could see how he felt about his current reviews, what had frustrated him, and what he had already tried. You can't get that from a text thread. And number 3, it builds a real relationship. not just a transaction. And that matters because hopefully this isn't a one-time transaction. This is a monthly recurring transaction. The relationship is actually the product, not just the close. So I walked him through the automated reviews, how it works, what he can expect to see in the first week, and he was in. I walked out with client number 1 for my first client of my 6-month challenge to 10K a month. So here's what I want you to take from this, especially if you're trying to land your first client right now. Lesson number 1 is your first client's hiding in your phone. Before a single cold call, before you knock on one door, go through your contacts, you know business owners. You know people that know business owners, and they already trust you. So use that. It's the most underrated asset that you have when you're starting out. And lesson 2, just tell people what to do. This sounds obvious, but most people don't do it. They hint at it on Instagram, they wait until the offer feels ready, and there really is no ready. The offer gets sharper after you start selling it, not before. So go tell people. Lesson 3 is personal outreach beats everything at start. I've sold things to hundreds of strangers. Cold pitching works, but it takes way more energy and way more volume than reaching out to people who already know you. When you have 0 clients and 0 proof, your network is your shortcut. So use it before you burn energy on cold traffic. Lesson 4 that I learned is meet in person, especially for this kind of service. You're asking someone to trust you with how their business looks online. That trust gets built fastest across a table. Now, lesson number 5 that I learned is build the rest as you go. My GoHighLevel setup wasn't perfect when I closed this client. My systems weren't airtight. My A2P verification for my texting was not set up. It doesn't matter. I made sure to get in front of him, showed him what the offer does, and we closed it. And now I'm building around the client, not waiting to have everything ready before I go get one. So that's where I'm at. 1 client in, 1 month into the 6-month challenge, 10K MRR. This isn't the I figured it out video. This is the I took the real step video. And I think that's more useful to people watching this because here's the truth. The hardest client to get is always client number 1. Not because it's the hardest pitch, but because you have to convince yourself to go do it before you can convince anyone else. Once you have one, the psychology shifts completely. So I have one. The challenge is real. It's happening and the clock is running. To everyone who's been waiting to reach out to your contacts, stop waiting, open your phone, send a text. The worst they say is nothing or no. So if you want to follow this whole build, make sure you subscribe down below. I'm posting every step, the wins and the losses. None of it's filtered. The link, if you want to build with me side by side, join my school community. I'm in there daily where we can bounce questions off of each other and we can grind together. And if you want to get started with GoHighLevel and build your own SaaS AI agency where you can sell AI agents, AI receptionists, automated reviews, missed call text back, sell websites that are created within minutes, then the link is in the description. It's a 30-day free trial. Typically, it's a 14-day trial if you go to GoHighLevel.com. Because I'm affiliated with them, they give you a 30-day free trial. So make sure you check that out. I will also send you a step-by-step course so you can learn exactly how I set up my agency and how I got all this created. So make sure you do that stuff, and I will see you in the next one.